Hello, good afternoon. Now today we shall discuss about the calculation of quantity of lime and soda. As I told you that lime soda process is suitable for removing hardness to the minimum level, and this the, so here suppose this numerical is asked. Calculate quantity of lime and soda required for softening 50,000 liter of a water containing calcium bicarbonate 9.2 ppm, magnesium bicarbonate 7.9 ppm, calcium sulfate 15.3 ppm, magnesium sulfate 15.0 ppm, magnesium chloride 3.0 ppm, and sodium chloride 4.3 ppm. So this is the numerical. You have to calculate quantity of lime and soda required. So what to do first? First of all, we have to calculate the hardness created by the salt like calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium sulfate, and magnesium chloride. These are the salts which create hardness. Now, I have not calculated hardness due to sodium chloride. It does not create hardness. ये हार्डनेस नहीं पैदा करता, तो हार्डनेस नहीं पैदा कर सोडियम क्लोराइड पोटेशियम क्लोराइड ये हार्डनेस नहीं पैदा करता। तो जब ये हार्डनेस नहीं पैदा करता है तो इनके कारण हम यहाँ हार्डनेस कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे। हमेशा ध्यान रखो कि कभी भी ऐसा नहीं करना है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट हार्डनेस क्रिएटेड बाय द different salts dissolved in water. How to calculate hardness? Already it has been taught that hardness due to any salt is quantity of the salt dissolved multiplied by 100 divided by molecular weight of the salt. This is the calcium bicarbonate, molecular weight is 162. 100 is the molecular weight of the calcium carbonate, because the hardness is always calculated in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent, and therefore in spite of writing equivalent weight, I have written molecular weight, and again here I have written the molecular weight of the salt. So simply you have to remember that how to calculate the hardness created by any salt like calcium bicarbonate 9.2 into 100 divided by molecular weight of the calcium bicarbonate, this one. And after calculation you will get this value. So this is the hardness created by calcium bicarbonate in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent. Similarly, another salt, magnesium bicarbonate. So magnesium bicarbonate, it also create hardness. So amount of the our quantity of the magnesium bicarbonate 7.2 here given 7 7.9 multiplied by 100 molecular weight of the calcium carbonate divided by molecular weight of the magnesium bicarbonate, and 5.41 ppm is the hardness in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent. Similarly, here this salt is also given. Calcium sulfate is 15.3 ppm. So calcium sulfate, how much hardness can be created by calcium sulfate? So calcium sulfate 15.3 into 100 divided by molecular weight of the calcium sulfate, it is 136, and after calculation you will get 11.25 ppm hardness. Magnesium sulfate, this is the amount of the magnesium sulfate given 15 ppm. This much amount is dissolved. So amount of the calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate 15 multiplied by 100 molecular weight of the calcium carbonate divided by 120, you will get 12.5 ppm. And magnesium chloride 3 into 195 in this way. So first of all, one should calculate hardness due to all salts dissolved in water. Now second thing, after this calculation, what we have to do? So now I have calculated hardness due to all salts. Now after this, we have to apply the formula for calculating quantity of the lime and quantity of the soda. Here I have not written the full formula. I have written only the formula in which hardness of the given salts are required. So here I have written 2 times temporary hardness of magnesium bicarbonate. Just see, this is the magnesium bicarbonate. It requires 2 times of the calcium carbonate. When you write chemical reaction, that is the calcium hydroxide lime. So magnesium bicarbonate plus 2 calcium hydroxide react, giving you the magnesium hydroxide and calcium carbonate and water. So therefore, in calculation, we say here 2 times of the temporary hardness. This is the salt which create temporary hardness. This is the salt which create temporary hardness. So 2 times of the temporary hardness of this one. Temporary hardness of the calcium bicarbonate. This is the calcium bicarbonate. इसका जो टेम्परेरी हार्डनेस निकाला, यहाँ वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. परमानेंट मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट, आप हमेशा ध्यान रखो कि कभी भी लाइम कैल्शियम के साल्ट से एक्सेप्ट बाइकार्बोनेट, बाइकार्बोनेट के अलावा कैल्शियम के जितने भी साल्ट होते हैं उससे लाइम रिएक्ट नहीं करता है. इसलिए कैलकुलेशन में हम कहीं भी कैल्शियम के अन्य साल्ट जो परमानेंट हार्डनेस उत्पन्न करते हैं उनको कैलकुलेशन में नहीं रखेंगे. इसलिए कैल्शियम सल्फेट यहाँ नहीं रखा गया. बट मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट रिएक्ट विद द लाइम and therefore I have put here the permanent hardness due to magnesium sulfate. Permanent hardness due to magnesium sulfate is this much, and permanent hardness created by magnesium chloride is this much. So if we say that what is the quantity, you can say that we can put here So here I have written the calculation. Already hardness due to magnesium bicarbonate is 5.41 and multiplied by 2. This is the hardness, temporary hardness created by calcium bicarbonate. So written here. Permanent hardness of the magnesium sulfate 12.5 and permanent hardness of the magnesium chloride 3.16 multiplied by the volume of the water here given 50 volume of the water 50,000 liter. So calculating all these you will get 23.4 into 50,000. It is milligram. Now it is converted into kg. So 1.17 kg soda lime means calcium hydroxide is required. So one thing I have calculated. Second thing, this is the formula required for the calculation of the quantity of the soda required. 106, this is the molecular weight of the soda divided by molecular weight of the calcium carbonate multiplied by hardness. This is the salt which creates permanent hardness. So permanent hardness of the calcium sulfate plus magnesium sulfate plus magnesium chloride. So all these salt, magnesium sulfate, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, all salt react with the soda. Soda means Na2CO3. And therefore we put the value of hardness of this. But here in line calculation, you will see that I have not considered the hardness of the calcium sulfate. I have calculated, I have considered the magnesium sulfate and magnesium chloride for calculating amount of the lime. But not the calcium sulfate because calcium sulfate does not react with the lime and therefore no lime is required. But soda react with the calcium sulfate giving the calcium carbonate and sodium sulfate. So calcium carbonate can be removed and in this way permanent hardness created by calcium sulfate can be removed by the soda. And exactly magnesium sulfate it also react with the soda, magnesium chloride react with the soda. So these all salts are considered for calculating the amount of the soda required. Already in the calculation of the hardness created by calcium sulfate 11.25, hardness created by magnesium sulfate 12.2. One thing you should remember, this is the amount, this is the magnesium sulfate, this is the amount, not the hardness. So we calculate hardness by applying the formula. So sometimes someone be confused that put all these value and calculate the value of the lime required and soda required. No, you calculate. So this is the permanent hardness created by calcium sulfate. This is the permanent hardness created by magnesium sulfate. This is the permanent hardness created by magnesium chloride. All these multiplied by the volume. Here volume is given. So in this way you will get 1.426 kg of the soda required. So in this way this numerical. So now one thing I would like to say that in a soda lime process some coagulants are also added. Coagulants like ferrous sulfate 7H2O or aluminum sulfate or sodium alumino, sodium meta-aluminate. These are the coagulants. So I will give you one example in which ferrous sulfate is added as a coagulant. So what you have to do for calculating the amount of lime and soda? So first of all, suppose here suppose this is the numerical magnesium sulfate, magnesium, all are given here, and instead of sodium chloride, someone say that FeSO4 7H2O is added at the rate of 17.1 ppm. Then how to calculate the amount of the lime and soda? Just see, nothing to worry. Calculate hardness created by calcium bicarbonate, hardness which is this much 5.68. Calculate hardness due to magnesium bicarbonate, 7.9 ppm is the amount, and putting this value 7.9 into 100 upon 146, you will get this value. This value. So twice of this value you will get the applying this formula. This is the hardness created by the calcium bicarbonate. This is the due to magnesium sulfate, and this is the magnesium chloride. Now you have to add hardness due to ferrous sulfate. So here you have to see that how to calculate the hardness due to ferrous sulfate. This is the amount 17.1 ppm. So you can put here hardness is 17.1 into 100 divided by molecular weight of the ferrous ammonium sulfate. So here molecular weight of FeSO4 7H2O. Put this value. So you will get the result for calculating the line required. Exactly for soda required, you have to put the hardness here plus hardness due to FeSO4 7H2O and multiplied by volume. Because this ferrous sulfate also react with the soda, and ferrous sulfate also react with the lime, and therefore in calculating lime you have to put hardness due to ferrous ammonium sulfate create hard. Ferrous ammonium sulfate can create hardness, and therefore you have to calculate the hardness of the ferrous ammonium sulfate. So this ferrous ammonium sulfate react with the lime as well as react with the soda, and therefore for calculating lime and soda you have to put the value of hardness created by the ferrous sulfate in the formula. So in this way you can calculate. Now I will give another example in which only ions are given. Only ions are given. Means if somebody asks you that there is a sample of water containing calcium ion, magnesium ion, bicarbonate ion, or any other type of the ion, carbon dioxide, H ion, like this. So how to calculate the amount of the lime and soda required? So see, look here, another example. Now there is another type of the question. Calculate amount of lime and soda required per liter. Per liter. 1 लीटर में पानी है जिसमें कि भिन्न भिन्न आयन हार्नेस क्रिएट करने वाले हैं, इनको रिमूव करना है, तो माइंड इट पर लीटर. For softening water sample containing calcium ion 80 ppm, magnesium ion 32 ppm, bicarbonate 193 ppm, and added FeSO4 7H2O equal to 73.5 ppm as a coagulant. Already I have told you that coagulant means the fine precipitates. They assemble, they form flock, means they get precipitated. Otherwise, in absence of coagulant, fine precipitate cannot be filtered, cannot be removed. So calcium in I told you that in the cold process it is very usual that calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide precipitate very slowly and fine precipitates are formed which cannot be filtered. So for removal of the calcium fine precipitate of the calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide, we add some coagulant, either ferrous sulfate or aluminum sulfate or sodium aluminate. So here, how to calculate this? So simply you calculate the hardness created by calcium ion. This is the amount of the calcium ion dissolved. So amount of the calcium ion multiplied by 100 molecular weight of the calcium carbonate divided by atomic weight of the calcium. This is the calcium ion. We don't know which salt is dissolved. Simply concentration of the calcium ion is given. So you put here the atomic weight of the calcium and calculate, you will get 200 ppm. This much hardness can be created by dissolving 80 ppm of the calcium ion in the water. Now second, how much hardness has been created by the magnesium ion? Magnesium ion amount dissolved 32 ppm, 32 ppm into 100, 100 means molecular weight of the calcium carbonate divided by molecular atomic weight of the magnesium ion. मैग्नीशियम का एटॉमिक वेट मैग्नीशियम आयन का एक ही होता है, कैल्शियम आइटम का और कैल्शियम आयन का एटॉमिक वेट एक ही होता है. So 24 you will get this much the hardness created by. Here bicarbonate. Here I have written the 195. This is the amount of the bicarbonate present in the water. So amount of the bicarbonate is 195 multiplied by molecular weight of the calcium carbonate. Here 61 if I say the weight of bicarbonate ion is 61, but it is monovalent, and here calcium ion is divalent. So change monovalent into divalent, I have multiplied by 2. So always remember that for calculating the hardness created by the bicarbonate, you don't put molecular weight of the bicarbonate ion. Molecular weight 61, but how much calcium ion, calcium carbonate will be required, how much soda will be required, that is the 2 times, because the valency of the calcium ion is 2, and therefore you have to multiply by 2, and therefore you can write here it is 122. So simply you can remember that for calculating the hardness of the bicarbonate ion, we must divide by 122 and we get this much. And similarly, hardness created by the ferrous sulfate, you will get this one. Now here, for calculation line required, magnesium ion is given, bicarbonate is given, ferrous sulfate is given. So value of all is given and you will get this much of the lime required. Similarly, you can calculate the soda required. Soda required. Soda required. Soda required. It is equal to 106 upon 100. Here calcium ion plus magnesium ion plus minus bicarbonate. Minus bicarbonate plus FeSO4 7H2O into volume. So this formula is applied. Already you know what is the value of the hardness created by calcium ion. Here you can put 106 upon 100. Here calcium ion hardness 200 plus hardness due to magnesium ion this much 133.3, and hardness due to bicarbonate minus 159.8 plus hardness due to ferrous sulfate, it is 26.4 in this one into 1. This is the milligram. This is the milligram. So in this way, you can calculate the amount of the soda required. So you have to remember one thing. Bicarbonate ion, hardness due to bicarbonate is added in the case of lime, but it is subtracted in case of the soda calculation. Why? Bicarbonate itself, it can create alkalinity, and therefore the alkalinity created by bicarbonate itself must be subtracted from the soda amount, and therefore here in this formula I have written the minus bicarbonate, hardness created by bicarbonate must be subtracted. Here calcium ion, hardness due to calcium ion is added, लाइन में नहीं किया क्योंकि लाइन कैल्शियम से नहीं क्रिया करेगा, लेकिन सोडा करेगा, तो इसलिए कैल्शियम की हार्डनेस लिखा, मैग्नीशियम की हार्डनेस लिखा, बाइकार्बोनेट की हार्डनेस घटा दिया, फेरस सल्फेट की हार्डनेस जोड़ दिया. इस प्रकार से यू कैन कैलकुलेट द टोटल amount of the lime as well as soda required per liter. Thank you very much. Thank you.